Hi, my name is Stacey Brook, and I am the founder and chief advisor at College Essay Advisors. And today I'm going to be talking to you about the Coalition Application's fifth and final prompt. Prompt number 5 reads, submit an essay on the topic of your choice. For many students, this catch-all prompt is a gift. It means you can write about whatever you want, and especially for students who have already started brainstorming for the Common Application essay using their prompts, this truly is sort of the magic prompt in that no matter what you write for the Common Application essay, you will be able to back it in to the Coalition prompts with prompt number 5. That said, if you are approaching the personal statement for the first time via the Coalition application, the topic of your choice may not be the ideal place to begin. I often find that students who are beginning to brainstorm find the element of having so much choice for the topic of your choice, prompt number 5, is debilitating. A lot of people like a slightly narrower runway on which to try out some ideas, and some stricter parameters help to spark some creativity. So by all means, if the topic of your choice feels overwhelming, just try to start with one of the other 4 awesome prompts as a launch point for your amazing ideas. And keep in mind that no matter what really matters is not the prompt you're responding to, but the story that you want to tell and what you believe it's going to communicate to admissions that's going to help them better understand the value you bring to campus. No matter what, remember, the most important thing is that whatever prompt you respond to, you want to make sure that you're telling a story that you feel is important to communicate to admissions, that reveals something interesting about you that can't be gleaned from anywhere else on your application, and that you believe is going to help define you in the mind of an admissions officer, distinguish you from similarly qualified applicants, and help solidify for admissions the reasons that you would be a valuable contributor to campus. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel. We are going to be uploading many more videos for the 2018-19 application season, so check back for regular editions. Also, if you want more information about College Essay Advisors one-on-one advising services, feel free to check us out, collegeessayadvisors.com. We also have an online course where you can get essay help right now. Again, check out collegeessayadvisors.com. Follow us on social media, but don't forget, come back here to find more videos for tips and tricks to help you with your admissions essays.